Hey there, YouTube. It's Doug from Besse Custom Fab. I've been working on the floor pans on the 1950 Pontiac Rat Rod Silver Streak / C5 Corvette chassis. Here's a quick look at the floor pans. I've got them all bead rolled, welded in, cleaned up, scraped. I wiped them down with, as you should, with acetone. You want to make sure it's clean. It's been about 2 months since I started working on this floor, among other things, I guess. It all turned out really well. I got my mounts in for the seats. Those are welded in. The seats will bolt right up to those. Those are my seats. No, that's not my seat covers, although they're really nice. I have Pro Car Rally low back seats. They're black. They're really nice. So they're going in. Everything's welded in except for 2 panels. That one there. And this goofy motherfucker here. And the reason for that is that if I ever want to access where the wiring harness comes through the firewall, I can. That guy. Wow. Probably like an idiot right now, but anyway, that's not how that one goes. Anyway, and I've got it all cleaned up, acetone, ready to go. The next step, I've got caulk in my hand. This is body sealer, black, paintable, rubber based, so that way when it cures, it doesn't dry hard and crack when, so it stays flexible. So it's going to be awesome. I'm going to put that body sealer in right now, and then I'm going to rock guard the whole thing. And it's going to be awesome. Like my videos, subscribe, Besse Custom Fab, rock and roll.